I'm going to determine where I want to place all of the pattern pieces. And I think I'm going to put the paw prints pads here like that, and put the foot pads there. However, this is the top of the fabric, and we want this to show on our bear, not the felt. The felt is just a backing. So I'm going to turn this over. See how this side's not as shiny? And I'm going to place things like this. Make sure you have the paw pads curled in so that you have a left and a right. I'm just going to double check. Yeah, that looks good. And then I'll place the foot pads like so. And this is where your glue stick comes in. This is just to temporarily attach the liner to the fabric. I am going to use, I could use a piece of paper, or in this case I'm just going to use a piece of plastic that I use for gluing and things, but I'm just protecting my work surface. I'm going to add a little and put that in place. I'm not going to cut these out right away. I just wanted to get them in place for the moment. If the glue dries off and they fall off, then you can reposition them again. I'm going to double check, make sure everything looks good on this side, and it does, and I'm going to set this aside.